Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have an approved used Audi S3 Saloon finished in the very vibrant Python yellow. It's a 2-litre petrol sporting the S-tronic gearbox, putting out a huge 310 PS, so it is packing the performance as well as practicality and style. With the LED daytime running lights really setting off the exterior styling, as well as the optional 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid alloys contrasted with the S-brake calipers very nicely. And to the rear you've got the quad exhaust, sounds fantastic this vehicle. Moving to the interior, you've got the full black leather, very comfortable to be in. Central armrest does fold down nice and easily as well. Moving to the front, you've got a sporty yet modern finish on the dashboard, very well set out. As well as the front sports seats for the S embossing, gripping you very nicely to drive. You've got the optional comfort and sound pack, which does include the Bang & Olufsen sound system, sounds fantastic throughout the vehicle. So as the full electric windows, central locking and all your lighting controls. Onto your leather multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you get your display controls, on the right you get your Bluetooth and audio. This vehicle is being currently used as a demonstrator, so the mileage will differ. You've also got your Audi virtual cockpit on here. You can access a huge range of multimedia features all with a touch of a button. Moving to your central touchscreen display now. On here you've got your DAB radio, AM and FM, Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It's nice and easy to do. Also got your Audi drive select on there, all dependent on your preference and terrain. Got all your vehicle settings, can be configured however you like. Your Bluetooth connectivity can be set up in seconds. So as your navigation, which is perfect venturing out and about, nice and easy to use. And if you put the vehicle into reverse, this is part of the comfort and sound pack. You've got the rear view camera, which initiates your front and rear parking sensors. And you've also got your park assist function there as well. Got your dual zone climate control, as well as your heated seats for the front. Start, stop, S-tronic gearbox, and your leather central arms and storage underneath. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.